then.
The Star is Born. Right, good morning. We have left the chalet, but we're not ready to go home just yet. So we're gonna have one more day here in Looe to do some crab fishing.
Gently with it because it's only a baby. Oh! Sorry, no, it's okay. Well, hold on, let me.
What's the name of that girl in Finding Nemo? You know, the one that picks up the bag with the fish in it and goes, "Why are you sleeping?" Yeah, that's totally Liv.
Right, Liv.
Right, it is time for us to go home, isn't it, girls? But we're not going to end the holiday just yet. We're going to see where the road takes us on our way back home. You having fun, girls?
Yeah. We've just counted how many crabs.
That's right, so we've been crabbing here in Looe. Oh, there's one.
Bye.
There we go. Whoa, look at him go. So it's very nice here. The tide is slowly going out. So this is the estuary that goes all the way down into Looe. So yes, we're going to slowly make our way back home to Salisbury. But has everyone had a nice holiday?
Yeah.
And the weather's finally become sunny again. Right, let's hit the road. Right, Mummy is just currently risking our lives to check what is growing in those fields. What is it, Mummy?
Oh, I don't know. It looks like it's some kind of greens. Maybe it's for animal feed.
You stopped in a really safe spot, didn't you?
I did, on a very straight patch.
Anyway, we're still alive.
Not cabbages. No, it's not broccoli either. Some kind of like green leaf.
There we go. We stopped off in Salt Ash, got some nice panoramic shots of that train bridge, and now we're on our way to the Salt Ash toll bridge, aren't we?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me write this up. There we go. You can see me now into Plymouth and then on to Exeter, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Cuddle.
Yeah?
Cuddle.
Cuddle.
Your arm.
Cuddle my arm. Oh. Right, that's it. So concludes our time in Cornwall. We've had a very nice time. It was very busy, but that's because it was the summer holidays. But we got some nice days in, even when it rained. Did you have a nice time, Maria?
Yes, thank you.
But I'm looking forward to going back to normal life and not eating fish and chips for lunch every day, and scones and cream for tea every night, and our own body weight in cheese. But thank you for watching our Cornwall episodes. We hope you've enjoyed them. And here are our best bits. Roll VT.